Hello, peeps, and welcome back to another week of learning. Hello, peeps, and welcome back to another week of math. This schedule is an overview of next week, June 1st through June 5th. We're back to 5-day week. Holidays are over. Okay, so just a reminder, lessons are due on Friday at 3:30. Okay. This week we're moving on to chapter 8, which is all about polygons. I'm hoping you got a taste of what data and line plots and all that is about with chapter 7. Don't worry, you're going to learn more about it in middle school. So chapter 8, like I said, is polygons. And as usual, we'll start off with a prior knowledge module to see what you remember from 4th grade. And for both Module 1 and Module 2, you'll be looking at not only recalling knowledge about polygons, but in specific, you'll be looking at the types of polygons, so triangles, and the classifying of quadrilaterals, okay? So your I can statement for Module 1 and Module 2 is I can identify isosceles, equilateral, and scalene triangles, and I can classify polygons by their side lengths and angle measures. So that's for Module 1 and Module 2. Okay, you're going to click this link. It'll take you right to the prior knowledge Nearpod. Please take your time with it. Please do all the activities, the drawing it and filling in, because that'll show me where I should focus our Zoom lessons for Monday and Wednesday, okay? So remember to turn in your work at Nearpod and also turn in your assignment on our Google classwork page so I can give you some feedback. So that's Module 1. Module 2 goes into classifying polygons. What is actually 5th grade content, okay? And then the Module 3 is polygons, but it's looking at the hierarchy and how to classify them. So I can classify polygons by using a hierarchy, and that is a chart that shows you how they are all related, how the polygons are related, and how they're alike and how they're different, okay? That is Nearpod 3. Again, make sure you do all the activities and turn in your work in Nearpod and our Google Classroom. Again, this is just an overview of how you could do your lessons. Remember the gray days in here, day 3 and 5 are those reflect and review days. That's for you to go back and do the Nearpod again if you want to, if you didn't like how you did. Maybe you reached out to me and I gave you a little bit of review and you want to try the Nearpod again. That's what you want to do, okay? If you want to come back and hear my lovely voice again and talk about our lessons for the week, you just click the overview of the week. I just spoke about the reflect and review days. So please reach out if you're having trouble, okay? I'm here to help you. Our Zoom meetings, we will have Monday and Wednesday back to the normal schedule at 2:30, okay? And over here, I've put some really nice links for polygons. So all about polygons, it's an overview, classifying quadrilaterals, classifying your triangles, and then I left the interpreting line plots on there just in case you weren't quite sure of how to analyze the data. This is a nice little video that explains kind of answering questions about the data in a line plot, okay? And then I'm going to scroll down. Of course, your optionals are down here as always. Okay, so that is our week coming up. So again, reach out to me through Google Hangouts, through the messaging at the on our classroom page, right at the Nearpod link. I get those messages from there. Or just come to Zoom, okay? All right, guys, have a great week. Thanks for always doing your best.